Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen 8.1 version in a BMW X1 that it came already with the navigation but didn't come with backup camera, so it came with the screen. We have two different models. One is for the BMW X1 that it comes with navigation already, and the other model is for the one that it's just only it's like a storage compartment there. But this specific BMW X1 came with navigation and it came with the screen. So iDrive, it's factory iDrive. We still can use the factory iDrive, and we can go back to iDrive menu. We can go to factory nav, and by holding the menu button or touching the screen we can go to the aftermarket mode. And right now we add our Apple CarPlay, which is already installed. That's a USB dongle to do Apple CarPlay. Right now it's on Waze. We still can use the knob, the iDrive knob, to navigate on Apple CarPlay mode. And we can go to Google Maps. And the backup camera, by going to reverse, it goes to backup camera with the dynamic parking guidelines. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can buy them online. The link for the unit is on description of this video, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and you can book your appointment for installation. Thank you, and thanks for your support. Have a great day.